Hello everyone, welcome to our IELTS online training course. Today I'll give you a quick introduction to IELTS. First thing first, what is IELTS? IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, which means it is an exam which will test your ability to speak, listen, read and write in English language. Here is the official website for IELTS. Now, why we need to take IELTS, by the way? Maybe I'm trying to study in an English speaking country. Now, obviously, I'm not going to speak in my mother tongue if it's not English in an English speaking country, right? Or maybe I'm trying to immigrate, or maybe I'm just trying to work in English speaking country or perform some business. So in either cases, I need to take IELTS. There are two types of IELTS, academic IELTS and general training IELTS. If you are trying to go abroad for study, you will take academic IELTS. If you are going for some other purposes except study, then you will take general training. So here is the 4 module of IELTS. When you register for your exam, listening, reading, writing date will be fixed at that particular day, and speaking will be organized in other day or maybe that day, but it will be confirmed later. So basically, your listening, reading and writing will be in the same day. Now, let me show you the band calculation. Let's say I'm getting 8 in IELTS. How that 8 is calculated? So here is one example. Test taker A. He is getting 6.5 in IELTS listening, reading and writing and 7.5 in speaking. That means his average is 6.75. Now, since it is 0.75, it will be converted to the next band, which means 7, because in IELTS we would get either 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, something like that, not 6.25 or 6.75. Now let's consider another example here. Another test taker is getting 6.5 in listening and reading, writing 5.5, speaking 6. Now for this case, his average is 6.125. Now it will be going down to the lower band, means 6.0. Let's move on to the duration. Speaking test usually takes 11 to 14 minutes. IELTS speaking test has 3 parts. We will discuss about it in details in the speaking class, okay? Listening. IELTS listening audio script will be played for nearly 30 minutes and you will have 10 minutes to transfer your answer from the question paper to the answer booklet. And IELTS listening test will have 4 sections. Section 1, 2, 3, 4. For academic or general training, speaking and listening are the same. Okay, so these 2 modules will be the same for academic or general training. For reading, we will get 1 hour in total, including transferring the answers from the question booklet to the answer paper. Reading test will have 3 sections. Regarding the module, academic reading passage will have more academic style. In general training, the reading passages may have the social context like filling up a form or something like that. So that is for basically for IELTS reading section 1 and 2. Section 3 is the same. For writing, we will get 1 hour. There will be 2 tasks. Task 2 is an essay, which will be the same for academic or general training. Task 1. Academic task 1 will be a summary. We'll see it shortly. And general training task 1 will be a letter. So by now we know what is IELTS and how the test is marked. The next question is, how much does it cost? Well, for my country in Bangladesh right now, the cost is 17,000 BDT.